I'm called by the name Awiyo Jesca from Serere District, Kadungulu Central Ward, Kadungulu Town Council, Amiria Cell. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I've been farming. I've been growing cassava and maize for home and for sale. The business, it has been, sometimes we will get it when it is good, and then sometimes it will be bad. You know, as a business, there are certain conditions. I got to know about Gudie Leisure Farm through local leaders. I choose to join here because I want to acquire knowledge that will help me in fish farming in order to improve my standards of living. I stay near Lake Yoga. I'm in aquaculture, and what I've learned is about records, how to keep records. And records simply means sets of information that have been systematically and carefully collected and appropriately stored for a specific purpose. We again went ahead and talked about importance of records. 1. It helps to attract the expenses of the enterprise. 2. It helps to attract the activities of the farm. 3. It helps to monitor the performance of the enterprise. I've learned about aquaculture value chain, whereby it means entire series of activities and transactions needed to make a product and deliver to the consumers. Also again we went and learned about hatchery. This is just artificial. This is just a process. A place where artificial breeding and rearing of fingerlings or fish fry in tanks. And then incubation. This is just where a process where fertilized fish eggs are hatched in tanks. I've learned about pond construction. I learned about business compliance. It involves about operating in accordance with the applicable laws and regulations, and the importance of business compliance. And the first importance, you as a business person, you have to register your business. And then the next one is you have to obtain your business status, and then you have to access your opportunities and even advertise and market your goods. And I have learned how to make pads, necklace beads, and then flowers. My commitment is to empower the youth that I have registered from my village with knowledge and skills in fish farming, hence improving their lives of living. I thank Gudie Leisure Farm for accepting me to be here for that training. May God bless them.